Hi, I'm Dr. Nanda from Grandivew Aesthetic and Plastic Surgery Center and Jiva Medical Spa and Plastic Surgery. And we're going to talk today about TruSculpt.
How does TruSculpt differ from the other procedures you hear about?
So being that we're a plastic center, we actually have all the different modalities at hand, and so we can actually customize the approach to our individual patients. By that I mean if you come in and you have a little bit more fat, then there's something called cool sculpting we do that can help with that fat. If you have fat mixed with loose skin as well, then TruSculpt may be a better option for you, which is what we're talking about today, because that can actually melt away the fat, but then also tighten the skin. So you kind of have a nice combination of the two. But if, however, you're not a candidate for either of these procedures, we can actually do surgery, or we could do one of our skin tightening procedures that are specific for skin tightening.
How does TruSculpt work?
So TruSculpt works because it uses heat, and we're heating up that tissue to a high temperature that kills the fat. When it does that, at the same time, it'll also tighten and firm up the skin, and we drain this fat through our lymphatics. So just like you would drain any other infection and flush it out, that's how our fat is released. And that fat does not come back, that is permanently killed.
When someone gets to the office, what happens? How long does the procedure take, and what can they expect afterwards?
So when you come in, we're going to actually do a consultation first and evaluate you. Make sure that you're the right candidate for TruSculpt, but if you're not the right candidate for TruSculpt, there's those other modalities as well that we talked about, but we're going to do what's best for you. The procedure takes about 15 minutes per an area, and we can do up to 6 different areas at one time, so you could do your whole abdomen in under 30 minutes. You're in and out. That's a one and done. Sometimes we like to do a second procedure. We like to do another one of these in 2 months, depending on what your desired outcome is, and it's lifelong. That fat's dead.
If someone's looking at the website, how would they know they're a candidate for TruSculpt versus CoolSculpt?
So that's a great question, actually. So if you have more fat, and that's more of the issue, not as much loose skin, then cool sculpting would be a better option. If you have a mixture of the two, then TruSculpt is the better option. If you have mostly all just loose skin and not as much fat, then skin tightening is a better option. We have all those different modalities available here.
And how can they schedule a TruSculpt? Are there steps beforehand they need to take?
So there's no prep needed for this. Every single person's a candidate. We can do any skin type. Consultations are free. The only thing you need to do is just give us a call or request a consultation. We'll schedule you in right away. Sit with us, and we'll walk you through the different options, and we'll choose what's right for you. You can go to our website.
Is there downtime or pain with the procedure, or pain afterwards?
So there's actually no downtime with this whatsoever. You can return to any activity you like. This is not a laser, so you don't have to stay clear of the sun. You could do this and go to the beach the next day if you wanted. You can go swimming. You can go work out. We do want you to drink a lot of water afterwards because we're flushing through the lymphatics. But other than that, this is literally the no downtime procedure. You come in, you do this, you can go right back to work your regular activities in the month.
And how can they schedule the procedure?
So that's very simple. You can visit our website at greatskinohio.com, or you can call us at any of our offices and schedule a free consultation.